Michael Hyatt's book, Your Best Year Ever, is a helpful and motivational manual that will help you accomplish your objectives and make the most of your time. Here is a detailed explanation of what to anticipate from this book. Introduction. The author gives a brief biographical sketch and describes how, with the help of the ideas and methods presented in this book, he was able to change his life and accomplish his goals. The following are the 5 pillars of your best year ever. The 5 pillars of goal achievement are clarity, energy, productivity, influence, and courage, according to the author. He contends that these pillars are necessary for building a successful and meaningful life. The Life Score Assessment is a potent tool that will allow you to evaluate how satisfied you are right now with 10 various aspects of your life, including your health, finances, work, relationships, and spirituality. The author includes instructions for using the Life Score Assessment as well as instances of how it has benefited others. The Best Year Ever Blueprint is a step-by-step manual for developing a life vision and establishing attainable objectives that are consistent with your beliefs and priorities. The author offers helpful guidance on how to establish a plan of action, break down your goals into doable tasks, and monitor your progress. The Productivity Tools. The author discusses a variety of productivity tools and methods that will assist you in maintaining attention, avoiding distractions, and doing more work in less time. The Eisenhower Matrix, the Pomodoro Technique, batching, and time blocking are some of these tools. The Energy Tools. The author discusses the significance of caring for your physical and mental health as well as offers advice and techniques for increasing energy and decreasing stress. Exercise, good nutrition, mindfulness, and sleep are some of these techniques. The author shows you how to develop connections, widen your network, and boost your influence using the influence tools. He offers guidance on how to develop communication skills, how to build a personal brand, and how to use social media to make connections with others. The Courage Tools. The author demonstrates how to face your fears, take calculated chances, and go after your goals. He gives examples of people who have overcome obstacles and setbacks and provides helpful guidance on how to become resilient and tenacious. In conclusion, the author summarizes the book's main ideas and exhorts you to put the ideas into practice in your own life. He serves as a reminder that you have the ability to create the best year of your life and that it is within your grasp. In conclusion, Your Best Year Ever is a thorough manual that will help you accomplish your objectives, increase your energy and productivity, broaden your influence, and find the courage to follow your aspirations. This book will give you the tools and techniques you need to build a happy and successful life, whether you're a student, professional, or business owner.